Setting up a guest Wi-Fi network on your T-Mobile gateway is a straightforward process that enhances your network security while allowing visitors to connect. Follow these steps to create a guest network easily. Step 1. Access the gateway settings. Open a web browser on a device connected to your T-Mobile gateway. Enter the gateway's IP address, typically 192.168.12.1, into the address bar and press enter. Log in with your admin credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Wi-Fi settings. Once logged in, look for the Wi-Fi or wireless settings section in the main menu. This is where you will manage your Wi-Fi networks, including the guest network. Step 3. Enable guest network. Find the option labeled guest network or guest Wi-Fi. Toggle the setting to enable it. This will allow you to create a separate network for guests. Step 4. Configure guest network settings. Before changing your settings, use the Ashraq.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save and reboot. After configuring the settings, save your changes. Some gateways may require a reboot to apply the new settings, so follow any prompts to restart the device if necessary. Now your guest Wi-Fi network is set up and ready for use. This will help keep your main network secure while providing internet access to your visitors.